Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term plot. Introduction. Plot, also known as mythos in Aristotle's terms, is a foundational element in both dramatic and narrative works. It constitutes the sequence of events and actions purposefully arranged to achieve specific artistic and emotional effects. The interaction of characters within the plot allows for the exhibition of their moral and dispositional qualities. The distinction between plot and story is critical, as plot involves not only the temporal order of events but also the causal relationships and motivations that give coherence and meaning to the narrative. In this video, we will explore the historical development of plot, its various forms in different genres, and contemporary perspectives that challenge traditional plot structures. Historical evolution of plot. The concept of plot has its origins in Aristotle's Poetics, where he analyzes tragic drama and identifies the crucial elements that constitute effective storytelling. Aristotle emphasizes the unity of action, stating that a plot should be cohesive and ordered structure, where each component serves a purpose and any alteration would disrupt the whole. This concept became a guiding principle for classical and neoclassical dramatists such as Shakespeare and Racine, who adhered to the three unities of time, place, and action. Diverse plot forms. Plot forms have diversified over time, catering to various artistic and emotional objectives. Tragic plots aim to evoke feelings of pity and fear, while comedic plots seek to amuse and entertain. Romance, satire, and other genres each employ distinctive plot patterns to achieve their specific effects. For example, tragic plots often involve a conflict between the protagonist and antagonist, while comedic plots may revolve around mistaken identities or clever intrigues. Interdependent concepts: protagonist, antagonist, and foil. The protagonist, also referred to as the hero or heroine, is the central character in a plot who commands the audience's interest. The antagonist, on the other hand, opposes the protagonist and may embody evil or conflicting ideals. When a character sharply contrasts with the protagonist and highlights their distinct temperament, they are termed a foil. Foils often serve to underscore the protagonist's qualities and motivations by providing a sharp contrast. Suspense and surprise, catalysts of vitality. Suspense and surprise play pivotal roles in plot construction. Suspense arises when the audience or reader is uncertain about the future course of events or the characters' responses. Surprise, on the other hand, involves unexpected plot developments that may violate the audience's prior expectations. The interplay of suspense and surprise adds vitality and engagement to traditional plots, keeping the audience invested in the narrative. Unity of action and double plots. Unity of action, as postulated by Aristotle, ensures that every incident in a plot contributes to its overall coherence. However, later developments such as the use of double plots in Elizabethan drama expanded the possibilities for achieving structural unity. Double plots, which feature a secondary narrative alongside the main plot, serve to enhance the understanding of the central conflict or provide a counterpoint to it. Such structural innovations showcase the flexibility and adaptability of plot in storytelling. Challenges to traditional plot structures. Since the 1920s, many writers have deliberately disrupted traditional plot conventions, experimenting with non-linear narratives, unreliable narration, and open-ended resolutions. These innovative approaches, seen in modernism and postmodernism, question the very notions of unity, coherence, and resolution in plots. Structuralist and post-structuralist literary theories further complicate the understanding of plot by exploring alternative conventions and uncovering hidden conflicts within the narrative. Contemporary perspectives on plot. Contemporary literary theorists such as Northrop Frye and Tzvetan Todorov have proposed new ways of analyzing and classifying plot forms. Frye reduced all plots to four archetypal types based on the myths corresponding to the four seasons. Todorov's structural approach likened plot forms to linguistic codes and conventions. Conclusion: plot as a transformative narrative device has evolved through the centuries, adapting to the diverse needs and sensibilities of various genres and literary movements. From Aristotle's classical unity of action to modernist deconstructions of conventional plots, writers have continually pushed the boundaries of narrative storytelling. Contemporary perspectives offer fresh insights into the complexities of plot structures, challenging established norms and inviting readers and audiences to explore the multifaceted nature of storytelling. So this was the discussion on the term plot. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other author. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.